In this video, we're going to look at how to create a favourites menu and also how to create a homepage favourites screen in Sage 200C. The first step is to create a favourites menu. To do this, select an option from the main menu on the left of the screen. In this instance, we're going to choose the Amend Sales Order function. Right-click and Add to Favourites. The option will then appear in your favourites menu, which you can access by clicking on the star button above the menu. You can add as many options as you like to this list, but if you prefer to display your favourites in a more graphical way, you can create a homepage favourites screen. You'll see you have a homepage favourites folder here already, which is created by default. And to display what's in this folder, you click on the homepage favourites option here at the top of the main panel. As you can see, we have a couple of sections already set up, and now I'll show you how to add another. First, you need to enter Edit Favourites mode, which you do by clicking on the pen icon here. Then, click on the folder in the normal way to expand the contents. You can see the folders we've already created here. And to create a new folder, simply right-click and Add Folder. We're going to call this one Sales Tasks. And then just drag and drop the options you want into this folder. When you're done, to exit the Edit Favourites mode, click on the cross here, and you'll see the screen updates with the options you've added. To access the function in the program, simply click on it in the menu to open up that screen. And that is how you create a favourites menu and a homepage favourites screen in Sage 200C.